I've got my hands on 3 pairs of the latest earbuds, all offering the benefits of active noise-cancelling technology. But to be the best, they've also got to sound, look and feel great. So I've called on the expert ears of friend of the show, Peredia ap Gwynedd, or Perry, as he's also happy to be called, the superlative guitarist with epic drum and bass phenomenon Pendulum. Perry, wonderful to see you again.
It's great to be back.
Now, do you normally use noise-cancelling earbuds?
No, but I use the over-ear ones, but this is my first time I've ever tried the in-ear ones, so I'm very intrigued.
Oh, excellent. First up are the Awestream hybrid earbuds, our cheapest pair. Their battery life with noise cancellation on is 5 hours, and they charge in an impressive hour and a half. Well, they come in 4 different colours,
okay.
A grey, black, this red and gold colour.
I don't mind a bit of bling. I've got quite a few pairs of gold trainers at home, to tell you the truth.
Next up, Bose's Quiet Comfort earbuds. They have a battery life of 6 hours, but do pack a bit of bulk.
It just feels more expensive, you know, it looks more expensive. It's chunkier.
My final pair of earbuds are the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2s. They're the smallest of the bunch, but also the most expensive.
The quality's really good, nice quality plastic.
They have 4 different tip sizes. With noise-cancelling earbuds, a good-fitting tip is essential, as it helps to isolate background noise and keeps them where they need to be, inside your ear. So, we've each chosen the best-fitting tips for the size of our lug holes. And our first test is to see which of our earbuds has the best fit.
I'll give it the headbang test.
The Awestreams might be light, but the fit wasn't at all tight.
Oh!
All right, come out. The Boses have a cunning wing to give a greater area of contact. Will it give them more stability in the headbanging test?
Yeah, these aren't going anywhere. These are great, yeah.
Finally, the Sennheisers. At only 6 grams each, they're hardly heavy metal, but will they be rock steady in our ears?
They work.
It's like they're not there.
Exactly. I think that's because they're so light. That's why they're staying in. I prefer a heavier earphone.
Both are a bit more sensual and tactile in your ears.
I think so, yeah. There's a bit more substance to them.
So, the stable but solid Boses have just edged the fit test. Having exhausted my repertoire of air guitar classics, it's on to the next test, sound quality. This is purely a test of sound quality, so we're going to turn the noise cancellation off. I've got a lossless recording of Brahms Symphony No. 4 in E minor.
OK, I find Brahms a little bit too twee. Can I have some really heavy stuff, please, John?
Of course.
Thank you.
Our rather divergent tastes in music had the benefit of providing a broad range of tones to really test our earbuds. First up again, the Awestreams. They're controlled with touch pads on either side, 1 tap to play. My strings are very scratchy, there's not much body in it. Will they cope any better with something more modern?
I'm listening to a drum and bass track. You should hear the bass quite heavy, but it's not hardly there at all.
So, a disappointing start from the cheapest earbuds on test. But how would our mid-price Boses fare? I mean, considering they're only slightly more expensive, it's a massively superior sound.
Quality's amazing. The top end's there, it's crisp, it's clean, it's clear. The bottom end's there, so you've got a lot of bass.
The Bose earbuds also pair up with an app which automatically adjusts the bass, mid-range and treble as you crank up the volume. I think it does help keep the bass.
Yeah, it's working.
Finally, the most expensive earbuds on test, the Sennheisers.
The sound is a lot more enclosed. It hasn't got as much of a sound stage as the Bose did.
Unlike the other 2 headphones, the Sennheisers let you manually tweak the EQ via their app.
I've just turned up the treble and the bass. It hasn't changed the sound that much. It still sounds quite boxy.
Boxy DMB! Disaster! How will they fare with my classic Brahms? I think they're actually the most natural of the 3.
But maybe with a piece of classical music, it's way better.
For sound quality then, the cheaper Awestreams are out, while the two more expensive options are a matter of taste. But these being noise-cancelling earbuds, we've yet to test one rather important feature. Noise cancellation. To find out how well our earbuds can cancel out background noise, I've invited along some of Birmingham's finest up-and-coming musicians for an exclusive and socially distanced jam session. They'll start off playing quietly and get progressively louder, while Perry listens to the same guitar track at the same volume on all three pairs of earbuds with noise cancellation turned on. Once the music in Perry's earbuds is compromised, the test stops and I'll take a decibel reading. Top of the bill once again are the budget Awestreams.
Let's start the rising cacophony.
All our headphones use active noise cancellation with inbuilt microphones to monitor ambient noise and cancel it out.
Stop! Well, that's interesting. That was a reading of 81.5 decibels.
Roughly the same level as a noisy restaurant.
So the noise cancelling doesn't work that well.
Next up, the Bose Quiet Comforts, which Bose boldly claim are the world's most effective noise-cancelling earbuds. You can adjust the level of noise cancellation, and an array of 4 microphones monitors background noise both outside and inside the ear, so they know which frequencies to cancel out.
Well, that was a distinctly more impressive 93.2 decibels.
These work so much better than the Awestreams. You know, as soon as you put these in, the sound just closes down straight away.
And last but not least, the Sennheiser Momentum Twos. Despite costing the most, these earbuds don't allow you to adjust the level of noise cancellation. But with it on, their battery life is the longest, at an impressive 7 hours.
That was a much more modest 87.1.
The music did come in a lot quicker for me, that. When I put these in, compared to the Bose, it did not have that all-encompassing noise cancellation. The Bose just went, shut the noise down straight away, and these don't do it.
But I mean, both leagues ahead of the, the Awestreams.
A lot better than the Awestreams,
So, after a day of living life as a true rocker and putting my 3 pairs of earbuds through their paces, it's the Boses that hit the top of the charts.
Always knew you were a headbanger, Bentley. When it comes to earbuds, though, I always think it's down to fit.
Yes, I mean, it's arguably even more important with noise-cancelling earbuds. You've got to get the right size of tips. It's very much a matter of personal taste.
John, how do they compare with Apple's AirPods Pro?
Well, I've listened to the Bose against the AirPods side by side, and I think the Bose are in the lead. They have a more engaging sound. They've got that wider sound stage that Perry mentioned, and the noise cancelling is better over a wider range of frequencies. They also stay in your ear more securely, I think, with those tips.